want to share this eulogy of my dear friend and siblings who passed away. This eulogy, written by dear friend in one of our requirements, where we are tasked to write a speech for ourselves if we pass away, to my dear friends and relatives of my beloved Aisel Jean Naparan. Take time to read the speech where she dedicated this eulogy to herself. You may rest in peace, my dear friend. Name Her name is Naparan Aisel Jean L. Eulogy for myself. In my life, it was said that we must live each day as if it is our last. These words reminds us the importance of cherishing every moment as we live in the entire world. Today, allow me to deliver a eulogy not someone else but for myself. Beloved self, you are the best gift of my of God to our family and one of the most beautiful creature in the whole world. You are a good daughter to your parents that you really think to your family first before yourself on how you can help them, especially on solving problems. You really want to show all of your talents to others because you want them to be proud that this your daughter, a very talented daughter. And most of all, you always find ways on how to make them happy because I know that you are only child also. I know that you are a good friend to others, that you want them to be comfortable and happy with you. You always want to spread positively to them and let them share what they feel, especially sadness, even you know that you are also problematic, but you're also problematic, but there only one characteristic that is your every weakness, and that is being a soft-hearted, that you can easily feel pain or pity, especially when you see someone suffering from poverty or any kind of hardships. You always wish that unta mudato ko because you really want to help others, especially those people who are in need. I really salute you, kindness. You are such a good person. However, it is sad to think that you are left already. You left not just our world but also your families, friends, loved one, and all people you are close to you and you love you with all their hearts. Self, I know that you have many queries that brothers and in your mind about that. What's happening where you are now? Where are your family, friends, loved one? But I know that you're safe right now because you are in the good hands of God and you will not suffer from any kinds of pain anymore. Now that you're gone, you can bond of your family, friends, and loved one. You can make you can make them smile or laugh, especially when they feeling sad and they worst in you can't talk or even touch them. That's why I want to apologize to all to the people I left behind, especially to my parents, because I didn't fulfill my promise or even my goals for you and for myself, such as anywhere I will pay all your sacrifices for me, and I will lift you up from poverty. I really sorry because I can't help that and support your family needs anymore. But one thing you know for sure it is that I really love you. I'm so blessed and thankful for your love, support, and everything for me. To my loved one, friends, and all people who loves me, thank you so much for everything. I know that it hurts a lot because I haven't say thank you or even sorry to all of you when I'm still alive. Also, I know it's really hard for you to accept the fact, but this is the reality. Reality, I might not always by your side, but our memories together remains forever.